Hi friends, welcome to your second week of school. So this is physical science. I'm calling week 1 since last week was our introduction. As always, on this page will be your home page and it's up to date for this week. These will be the links that you can click. So join the meeting, see the schedule, notebook table of contents, how to get help, and then what do we do in other weeks. This week, you're going to focus on creating a hypothesis that answers a scientific question. Tuesday's meeting is optional. You can come and set up your notebook with me. It's very specific, so you might feel like when you watch the video, you're a little overwhelmed. Or if you're not, you can watch the video on your own, and then I'll see you on Friday for some more meet and greet and some specifics about scientific questions. Here are your assignments for this week. This one will be linked. 2 pieces of instruction. First is setting up your notebook, which is due Wednesday, September 16th. And then the second part is about creating a hypothesis. Then some practice, and you'll do a reflection. So this says, unless otherwise noted, all activities are due on Sunday. So just so you know, this one's due on Wednesday, but everything else is due on Sunday. So if you're feeling behind, you like to take the week to work, whatever it is, just know that you have that option. And I've added something new, which is a link to a Google form where you can give me feedback. So if something is confusing about my Canvas course or how things are linked in the hub, I know we've had a lot of issues with that this week. So just know that we're trying to figure it all out. Something else to note, you can go to modules and you can see all of your assignments. I put them in order of how you're going to go. So notebook setup is a video. You have to upload a picture of the table of contents page. Then you have just a short little thing about how Cornell notes, and you need to put your example page into your notebook. If you don't have that, here's a copy. Here is your instructional video about creating a hypothesis. I've asked you to record a comment as part of how I'm knowing that you did this. And so down here is where you're going to add your comment. And you can add it anywhere along the video. You can add a comment. Then you'll be taking a practice assignment, which is actually like a quiz, but it's going to be graded as a practice assignment. It's just a Canvas quiz so that I can give you feedback right away and you know if you're doing things right or wrong. And then last, you have a little reflection assignment, which is your first Cornell Notes summary. So on the bottom of your notes that you took that week, you'll write a little summary. So in this slideshow, I told you a little bit about how to write your Cornell Notes summary. And that's your week at a glance. So let me know if there is anything that is confusing to you or if you still have some questions about how all of this is going to go. I hope that everybody had a great first week and they're settling in and figuring out where all the links are. I know it's a lot to keep track of. So I hope you feel proud of yourself and you take some time this weekend to rest and recharge. See you next week.